Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the introduction to the group 4A elements in the periodic table. So here we have the group 4 elements. Mainly they are consisting of metals, non-metals and metalloids. So first one element of the periodic table of the group 4A here we have it is the carbon. Its atomic number we have 6. Its electronic configuration of the valence shell we have 2s2 2p6. Ionization energy is high, that is 1086. Electron affinity is negative -122.5. Electron negativity is 2.5 to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself in the periodic table. Its atomic radius we have 77. Ionic radius is 60. Its ionic radius is we have 60 parts per million, or we can say that picometer, and the melting point we have in degrees Celsius, which is 3570. Boiling point, it can be sublime. Solid changes into the gas phase directly. On the other hand, its density we have 2.33 grams per centimeter cube, and the temperature here we have 20 degrees Celsius. So carbon is the mainly first element of the group 4A. After that we have the second element, which is silicon. Its atomic number is 14. Valence shell electronic configuration is 3s2 3p2. Then we have germanium. Its atomic number is 32. Its total number of electrons is 32, and the valence shell we have 3d10 4s2 4p2. And then we have tin. Atomic number is 50. Valence shell electronic configuration is 4d10 5s2 and 5p2, 4 electrons present in the valence shell. Then we have lead. Its atomic number is 82. Total 82 electrons are present, and the valence shell we have 4f14, 5d10, 6s2 and 6p2. Again 4 electrons in the valence shells. All they have 4 electrons in their valence shell, so that's why the group number is 4. On the other hand, when we move from top to bottom in the group, you can see that as the ionization energy is decreasing down the group in the periodic table. On the other hand, the electron affinity, the first one is -122 and the last one is -101. Likewise, it is also decreasing down the group. Electronegativity, it again decreases down the group. Atomic radius is increases down the group because the atomic number increases. It means the number of electrons increases and the atomic radius increases due to the increase in the number of shells. Then we have the ionic radius. It also increases down the group. The melting point there decreases, and the boiling point there also decreases down the group, and the density it increases down the group. It means as the atomic number increases, the density of the elements also increases. This is the some properties of the group 4 elements, that what is their different trends of ionization energy, their electron affinity, their electronegativity, and their radius, and so on. So group 4 elements are mainly the first one element, which is carbon. It is non-metal in nature. On the other hand, the silicon, germanium, tin, lead, they are mainly known as metalloids. Metalloids that have both the properties of metals as well as the properties of non-metals. These are known as mainly the metalloids. So the first one is carbon. It is having some peculiar behavior from the other elements because it is the first one element of group 4A. As it has 4 electrons in its valence shell, so it can make 4 bonds in nature, and its valency is also 4. After that, we have some common properties of the group 4A elements. So, all the elements of this group show the valency of 4 as their valence shell. First one was we having 2s2, 2p2, then we're having 3s2 and 3p2, 4s2 and 4p2. We were having 5s2 and 5p2 and 6s2 and 6p2. So all were having their valence shell electronic configuration same and their valency was 4. 4. Why the valency was 4? Because they have 4 electrons and they require more 4 electrons to complete their octet or to complete their valence shell. Next property, all of them can form the hydrides. Hydrides, when any metal reacts with the hydrogen, then the resulting product we known as it is the metal hydride. So all can make the metal hydrides by combining with the hydrogen. They form the tetrachlorides. Tetrachlorides mean we have carbon, silicon, they can combine with the 4 chlorines and changes into the tetrachlorides. The fourth one, similarity in them, it is they can also form the dioxides. For example, we were having carbon, it can combine with the oxygen and changes into the carbon dioxide. We have silicon, it can reacts with the oxygen and changes into the silicon dioxide. So this is the common properties of the group 4 elements and why they have some common properties. The reason is this, they have 4 group number and along with that they have 4 electrons in their valence shell that make them to similar in some manner about their formation of the chlorides, about the formation of the hydrides and formation of the dioxides because they can combine with the 2 oxygen atoms. On the other hand, the oxygen, it belongs to group 6a as it has 6 electrons in its valence shell. When it combines with the oxygen, they changes into dioxide. Two oxygen can combine with the group 4a elements. So this was a simple overview about the common properties of the group 4a elements. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss it is the properties of the carbon and silicon. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.